We're thinking, me and Mama, Nak, that's why we're telling you now, so that you know you can plan. You go out, but just before 10 o'clock. Because I asked Mama if she can go with us, and then so that you and Joshua will,
Or, if Ate Chantal, if Chin is gonna have her birthday in Disneyland, do you wanna go with them? Sa France? Yeah, I will ask Ate Chantal if definite silang mag-France para you can go with them sa France. Paris, yeah.
I hate Paris.
Oh, you hate Paris?
Yeah. Yeah, with them, yeah.
Why you don't want France? Not Paris. Why?
But, because you've experienced when you're young. Yeah. Yeah, just in case you want. If you want to stay at home, then.
If they go, yeah, I'll ask them.
In 1 mile,
and then anak, alam mo,
take the second
what I'm
exit
thinking,
onto Kingston Bridge.
What I'm thinking, sa birthday mo and birthday ni Josh, yung birthday, the three of us, there's a, diba, sa October, there's always half term. So I'll ask Ate Chantal if they want to go to Spain, Malaga, para we can stay to my, in my uncle's, like what we did in Norway. At least it's not, baka mura-mura yung time na yun, kasi
October na yun.